Good morning. This is lesson number 3, the non-metals again, and the topic today is group 7, the halogens. It's on page number 97 in your books. Starting with properties of halogens, they all have similar properties because they belong to same group. For example, they all form colored vapors. Fluorine is a pale yellow gas, chlorine a green gas, bromine form red vapors and iodine a purple one. So these colors are specific for each halogen. Fluorine yellow, chlorine green, bromine red and iodine a purple one. They all are poisonous. It means you cannot even take them directly. That much poisonous. Clear? Third point, they are brittle and crumbly in their solid form and non-conductors of electricity. This is again unlike metals. Okay, brittle सख्त को कहते हैं. crumbly में मैं आपको एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगी. bread crumbs देखे होंगे आपने. so crumbly in that sense. होते सख्त हैं लेकिन crumbly. Clear? They form molecules containing a pair of atoms. Means halogens cannot exist freely in nature. That's why they exist in diatomic form. Diatomic molecules बनाते हैं. ठीक है? For example, chlorine Cl2. This is why, because halogens outermost shell incomplete होता है और उसके outermost shell में 7 electrons होते हैं. सही है? So by sharing one electron with each other, they become stable. So that's why they exist in diatomic form. Coming to the last point, have low boiling points. But boiling points change down the group. Boiling points as well as density increases down the group with increase in size. So इस point में boiling point की बात हो रही है. Boiling point generally हम बात करें तो नॉन मेटल्स का कम होता है मेटल से. लेकिन अगर स्पेसिफिकली हम एक सिंगल ग्रुप की बात करते हैं, सो व्हेन वी आर कमिंग डाउन इन ग्रुप द साइज इंक्रीजेस. बिकॉज इंक्रीज किस में आता है? शेल्स में. सो व्हेन शेल्स इंक्रीजेस द साइज इंक्रीजेस. साइज इंक्रीज होता है तो मास भी बढ़ता है उसका, बिकॉज शेल्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंक्रीज होंगे, न्यूक्लियस में न्यूट्रॉन्स इंक्रीज होते हैं. सो इट बिकम हैवी. क्लियर? एज यू नो, मास इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डेंसिटी. सो मास बढ़ेगा, उसकी डेंसिटी भी बढ़ेगी. क्लियर? मास इंक्रीज, डेंसिटी ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. सो डाउन द ग्रुप डेंसिटी इंक्रीजेस बिकॉज ऑफ increase in size. Is this clear? So going towards next slide. So here group 7, the halogens. You can see their colors clearly. Fluorine yellow, chlorine green, bromine red and iodine purple. Okay, when talking about the name halogens, the name halogen comes from Greek, which means salt producing. So halogens actually form compound and they form salts. So they are salt making, and that's why the name halogens is given to them. Clear? Why do they have similar properties? The halogens all have similar properties because their atoms all have the same number of electrons in their outer shells. How? I'm going to explain them one by one. Z means atomic number. So when talking about fluorine, the first atom atomic number is 9. So by dividing or distributing electrons in their shell, see, look at the first shell having 2 electrons, and then the other 7 are in second shell. So the outer shell is having 7 electrons, not 8. So they are not following the octet rule. Clear? So here the 7 electrons are incomplete. So for completion of electrons, this fluorine will combine with the other fluorine, and by sharing one electron they will form a diatomic molecule and then they become stable. So that's why they usually exist in diatomic form. Okay, coming towards chlorine, atomic number 17. So atomic number 17, it means electrons also 17. So by distributing electrons, फर्स्ट शेल 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ जाते हैं, सेकंड शेल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इट बिकम 10 और लास्ट में बचे 7, तो वो जाएंगे लास्ट शेल में, द थर्ड शेल विच इज द outer shell having 7 electrons, so it is again incomplete. So bromine, again 7 electrons in the last shell, total 4 shells, and the last fourth one is the outer shell having 7 electrons, so that's why bromine again with 7 electron is incomplete. Following by iodine, 5 total shells and the last shell is having 7 electrons, again incomplete. So this is shown in this diagram. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ सब हेलोजेंस में ही लास्ट शेल में 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. क्लियर? So the outer shell is incomplete and that's why their properties are similar. Clear? I hope halogens are clear now. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Clear? Okay, so about your homework, I am giving you 3 questions today. Describe the appearance of halogens. Second one, name all halogens with their symbols. This is very easy one, okay? The third one, explain why halogens are not monoatomic. So you have to answer all of them. और इसको बहुत नीट टाइडी करना तो मस्ट है आपने, बिकॉज हमने इनको चेक करना है. ठीक है? सो विद इन 15 days यू हैव टू सबमिट दिस होमवर्क. थैंक यू.